Hey everyone! Sorry it's been so long. I know I haven't put any videos out in quite a while. We're gonna head up to the mountain today in the snow and see how that goes. But yeah, I've just had some stuff happening. My mom had a stroke and so she's been in the hospital, and I've been having to do a bunch of trips back and forth between the hospital and stuff. So luckily she's out of the hospital now and working on regaining her balance. Where she had her stroke was in the section of the brain that controls balance. So we're just getting that all worked back out, and so this is the first adventure I'll be going out on. And I hope you guys enjoy it. It's just a quick little trip up to the mountain in the snow. It's nice seeing ya. Thank you for everybody who stuck around and didn't unsubscribe. I know I haven't, like I said, I haven't been putting anything out in a while, and I really appreciate you sticking around and giving me a chance. Oh, it's all right. You excited? I think Harvey's excited. Harvey, are you excited? Oh, I think we're here. Okay. Oh, I forgot we have to park on this steep ass hill. Okay, we're gonna go walk up this mountain. It's only about 1.5 miles one way, so let's see how it goes. It's snowing now. I look like crap today. Sorry. Harvey, your poor jacket never stays straight.
Right on your bum hole.
I know. Say hi. Oh gosh, Max is up there rolling in the snow.
He hates that.
He's like, get this jacket off me. Oh wow, look at the sun trying to peek out there.
I tried taking a photo.
That's crazy. These guys are having a blast. Clyde, are you too hot? Do you need mommy to take your jacket off? Let you cool down for a minute. You're not panting anymore. Harvey, I can hardly see you.
You're gonna lose it.
Oh, we're almost to the top, right?
No.
No? Shit.
This is the halfway point.
Oh, I thought we were already at the halfway point.
No.
Tabby knows this better than me. I don't come here very often. It's definitely steep. Okay. See you when we get to the top. So Mount Rainier's
Right there.
out here somewhere.
Oh, it's right there, right in front of you. That's right where it is. You can't miss
We'll
it.
have to put a picture with this tree in it that shows the mountain, because it's so cloudy today. Ain't seeing much of anything. Ow, hey guys, what are you doing over here? Are you just kicking butt behind mom, huh? What's going on? What's going on? Yep. Oh man, it is so snowy. I love it. Had to put the boys' jackets back on. It's getting chilly now that we're not climbing uphill anymore. Oh man. Oh man, good boys. Good job, guys. Good job, Harvey. Boy, Clyde. Yeah, good boy. Good girl, Maple. Good boy, Max. Everybody eating some snow?
He's eating wood.
Oh, you're eating wood? Of course you are. Whoa. Whoa, Maple.
Peter, look at him.
Whoa.
Frozen wood.
Max, what are you doing, crazy?
What's this?
Oh. Clyde. Clyde.
Ready?
Clyde. Hey.
Ready?
Over here. Oh.
Ready?
good snowball catch. Good job. Good job.
Woo! Maple, you making that powder puff.
Another one?
Powder puff,
Honey,
girl.
woo! Yeah, boys.
Ready?
Harvey, another one? Woo! Good boy. You missed. Good try.
Max is like chewing on it on his leg. Ready? Good girl.
Ready? Yeah. Oh, good try. Good boy. You ready, Harvey? Okay, here, Harvey. Go on, get her.
Catch me if you can.
Ready? Oh, snowball. Ready? Ready? Oh, good job. Holy crap, Tabby, what do we get ourselves into? It's like whiteout conditions. We're covered in snow.
We did it. We can say we did it.
Look at you guys. You're covered in snow too. You need to fix your jacket.
Can't see your fucking
You
face.
okay, Clyde?
Not
We're
seeing-
almost back, guys.
Like walking into the white Bolivian.
Yeah, Jesus. You're making it, buddy.
Where's my seeing eye dog?
It's coming down hard. Can't see much. I don't even have to try to catch snowflakes. Let's fix your jacket. There you go. Clyde's over this. He's like, no, this is not fun for me anymore. Harvey's still having a blast, and Maple and Max don't even care. Good boys. We're almost back, Clyde. I know you're done, buddy.
Well, you can't even tell we walked up there.
Yeah, I know. Our tracks are covered down here now. It snowed so hard. Good job. Whew, we made it back to the car. Holy cow, that was a blizzard on the way down. Everybody was cold and wet and we couldn't see. Thanks for coming along. It's nice to see you.